Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you on our 03 Volvo V70 2.4 liter how to take the mass airflow sensor out. It's located in the top of the air filter box, and the mounting screws are just two Phillips heads. So we'll take a Phillips screwdriver, push down, let's take that bolt out, and the other one. They're real small, make sure you set them aside. And then you're going to grab this sensor and twist it, pull up. It's mounted with an O-ring. Now we see the connector. Push down on that tab, slide it out. If it gets stuck, you might need a flathead screwdriver. There we go. So here's the mass airflow sensor. I'm ready to connect the connector again. I'm making sure there's no damage. There isn't. And the prongs are all straight. Connect it, line it up and snap it together. Now I can drop it down in the air box. Just wiggle it lightly back and forth so the O-ring sits. And I'll just get my mounting screws. The little small Phillips heads. Snug it down. And make sure it's nice and airtight. It has to be tight. And you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.